Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun sets itself apart as one of the top all-inclusive water park resorts in Mexico. 14 slides, 2 lazy rivers, and splash zones for every age group are all part of the experience, fully included for every guest. The all-inclusive program goes far beyond food and drinks. You can choose from 12 restaurants and 8 bars, serving everything from Mexican and Italian to French and Indian cuisine. Cocktails, coffee, and snacks are available all day, and even 24-hour room service and in-room beverages are included. Activities run from morning yoga and beach volleyball to nightly shows and themed events. Families also get access to the kids and teens clubs, arcade games, and of course the water park, the main reason this resort earns so much attention. While the beach isn't the main attraction here, the variety of amenities, entertainment, and dining options make this one of the most complete all-inclusive stays in Cancun. I'll reveal more details and exact room prices as we go, but if you're keen to secure your stay at this highly popular resort, you can save 20% when you book via my limited-time discount links below. Royalton Splash sits between Cancun and Puerto Morelos, about 20 minutes from the airport. It's close enough for a quick transfer, but far enough to feel calm and removed from the busy hotel zone. The resort is positioned right on the beach, surrounded by open coastline rather than crowds, giving it more of a self-contained feel, which works perfectly for families planning to spend most of their time on site. Nearby attractions include Moon Palace Golf Club, Xoximilco, and the Puerto Morelos Town Square, all within a short drive. Guests who want a day away from the resort can easily book tours or transfers directly through the Royalton app or concierge. Inside the property, the layout is designed for convenience. The water park, main pools, and restaurants are within easy walking distance, with elevators and ramps throughout. Most guests find they rarely need to leave the resort once they arrive. The beach area itself is quiet and scenic, though the water can occasionally be cloudy due to natural seaweed. The resort stays proactive about maintenance and keeps plenty of shaded loungers available, so even when swimming conditions vary, the setting still feels relaxing. The most affordable choice is the luxury junior suite oceanfront, priced at around $165 per person per night when shared by 2 guests through the limited-time 20% discount link below. This room offers a private balcony with ocean views, a rainfall shower, and either a king bed or 2 queens with a sofa bed setup, perfect for small families or couples who want sea views without the premium upgrade. For travelers who want pool access just steps away, the luxury junior suite swim out averages around $180 per person per night. The direct terrace access to the shared swim-out pool is a standout feature, making it ideal for families who spend their days in and out of the water. Interiors stay bright and quiet, with thoughtful touches like blackout curtains and plush bedding that make downtime genuinely comfortable. For those looking to elevate their stay, the luxury junior suite Oceanfront Diamond Club delivers premium perks at about $210 per person per night. This tier includes private check-in, an exclusive pool and beach area, priority dining reservations, butler service, and upgraded in-room amenities. A clear step up for travelers wanting a more polished experience without losing the fun, family-focused vibe. The water park at Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun is one of the largest of its kind in the Caribbean. It's built into the resort, not off to the side, so it feels like the center of everything. 14 slides range from family-friendly racers to high-drop spirals, and the splash zones are divided by age so kids of all levels can join in safely. Lifeguards are visible across every area, and shaded loungers make it easy for parents to relax nearby. The lazy rivers offer a slower pace, weaving through palm-shaded areas that feel calm even when the resort is busy. Most guests recommend visiting early in the morning before the lines pick up, a simple tip that makes the day flow smoother. Towels, float rings, and refreshments are all provided, and snack stations sit right by the slides. Beyond the water park, 6 pools are spread across the resort, from lively activity pools with swim-up bars to quieter corners near the Diamond Club. The gym is spacious and air-conditioned, with a full mix of cardio and strength machines, and the daily activities program keeps guests busy with yoga, aqua fitness, and games. The Kids and Teens Clubs run structured, supervised programs so parents can unwind at the spa or adult pool without worry. And for extra fun, there's a bowling alley and trampoline park available for a small fee. Royalton Splash keeps the energy high from day to night with a mix of live shows, music, and family-friendly activities that feel far more curated than typical resort entertainment. The Central Theater hosts professional evening performances, everything from acrobatics and dance to themed tribute nights, with a rotating schedule so each night feels different. During the day, entertainment moves outside, with poolside games, trivia, and live music sessions that bring a relaxed but social atmosphere to the resort's main areas. Guests mention the animation team as one of the highlights: friendly, energetic, and great at keeping both adults and kids involved without being pushy. Sports fans can head to the Score Sports Bar, open late with big screen TVs, bar food, and drinks included in the all-inclusive plan. For a livelier vibe, the resort's nightclub mixes modern Latin and pop hits in a safe, on-site setting, popular among couples and groups who prefer to stay within the property. Dining at Royalton Splash stands out for its quality and range. The Gourmet Marché Buffet sets a high standard with rotating international dishes, themed nights, and premium seafood selections like crab legs and lobster tails. Among the a la carte restaurants, Hunter Steakhouse is the clear favorite for perfectly cooked cuts, while Agave serves authentic Mexican dishes in a lively setting. Taj adds flavorful Indian cuisine, and Grazie Italian Trattoria offers family-friendly comfort food with wood-fired pizzas and pasta. Guests also enjoy the elegant Ma Maison, which brings a French fine dining touch to the lineup. Coffee, pastries, and cocktails are available throughout the day, and staff consistently earn praise for friendly, attentive service. Crucially, guests cannot access other Royalton resorts in Cancun, including Royalton Riviera Cancun next door, unless you purchase a day pass, which is between $80 and $150 per person, according to previous guests. While everything you need is on-site, the property is entirely self-contained, so you'll want to plan to stay within the resort for most of your trip. The scale of the resort is impressive, but it does mean a lively atmosphere almost everywhere. This works great for families and groups, though travelers seeking quiet spaces may prefer the Diamond Club sections or the spa's adults-only pool. I'll link to alternative accommodation below if you need it. For this part of the Riviera Maya, Royalton Splash Riviera Cancun stands out as one of the stronger value options. Competing resorts often charge similar rates, but don't offer the same range of activities or dining quality. The property feels modern, well-staffed, and efficiently run, which adds to the sense of getting more for your money. Even though extras like spa treatments or bowling come at an additional cost, most guests find they spend less overall compared to nearby resorts because so much is already included. Royalton Splash is ideal for families and groups who want an action-packed, all-inclusive resort where everything is within reach. The water park, multiple pools, and full entertainment schedule make it especially appealing to travelers who prefer staying on site rather than exploring daily. Couples who enjoy lively resorts will also appreciate the range of restaurants, bars, and evening shows, while the Diamond Club upgrade offers a quieter experience with added perks for those wanting more exclusivity. Lock in your 20% discount via my link below before this deal expires.